Up Dentcoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. Dentcoin holders, that is the good news video for all of you because after a long fall, after a huge falls, the Dentcoin price chain has become positive, guys. So this is really a good news for all of you guys. Anyways, guys, keep watching this video complete for more and better understanding. And if you are new to my channel, so please I request you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Let's start the video and let's go ahead. The current live price of a dent coin in the market is about 0.005209 USD dollar. That is the right now highest price of a dent coin in the market. And other side, if we talk about the changes of a dent coin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, changes occur in the dent coin is completely positive, guys. I mean, the latest situation of dentcoin is positive, except of the last day, 1 day, last 1 hour, only and only last 1 week changes is negative, guys. Now, guys, from this price chart, it's clear that in the latest situation, I'm talking about just the latest situation. Latest situation is a good news for all of you because in the right now situation Dentcoin is in the positive mode and they are in the pumping mode, so that's why personally today I'm very happy and I hope, guys, you all feeling happy about a Dentcoin today, guys. Anyways, if we talk about the updates of last 1 month, so 57.9% positive changes occur in the Dentcoin and 0.008686 USD dollar. That is the highest price of a Dentcoin in the last 1 month. Guys, the latest situation is going positive, so I think that's good news for all of you. And it's time to hold, guys. It's time to hold and it's time to make a profit, guys. Anyways, guys, what do you think? What is your prediction about Dentcoin? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.